Morning everybody, I'm going to show you now how to use the Terry Boost as a nappy in its own right for those very early stages. This is a large Terry Boost, but you can do this with the small one, especially if you've got a very tiny baby. You can do this with the small one. The Terry Boost is a rectangle. So all we're going to do is fold it so that you can actually use it as a nappy in its own right, as opposed to using it as a booster or as an insert. Lay it out in landscape mode and put your finger on the middle at the bottom and take the corner on the left in so that it lines up with this top corner there, and you can see already it's starting to look a bit like a kite fold. Do the same with the other side, and there's your triangle. Now, depending on how big your baby is, how long your baby is, you can fold the bottom bit up as far as you need to. It doesn't really matter. You can pull in the sides as you put in if you find that it's too wide between the legs. Place your baby there with the back up there. Pull the bottom bit up. If you want to tuck in as you do this, you can sort of tuck in underneath here as you do this next bit and pull that across the front. And we'll do that the same as there. Tuck in across the back and pull across the front and fasten with a nappy nipper. And as you can see, it just looks like a normal nappy, Terry square nappy. When you use the nappy nipper, make sure that you pull that bottom leg down so you've got a Y shape rather than T shape, and tuck under all around the legs so that you get a really good tight seal, and you've got a superbly neat, superbly efficient little nappy for those early days when babies have got tiny little tummies and taking lots of little feeds. As your baby gets bigger, obviously you can let that initial fold down, so eventually it actually will fit a fairly good size under 6 month baby, maybe under 4 months, but put it on exactly the same way. And just to repeat that, as you come up, this is with any nappy. You can do this with any square nappy. Pull the bottom one up. As you pull the wing across, tuck that under there with your thumb, and then you've got a good seal, and tuck under a little bit more as you go. That makes a really good seal and is really worth doing. Obviously the Terry Boost can be used in multiple other ways. If you want more absorbency than that, say your baby is going for a long time overnight, you can actually do exactly the same thing with two boosts together and fold in exactly the same way, which will double the absorbency obviously. You can use the Terry Boost as folded in three as an insert in a pocket nappy. You can use it as a boost, which is what it was originally designed for, a boost on a Terry square nappy. You can use it any way you like. Some people like to fold a nappy and then put the boost in as a pad. I personally prefer to do it in the first place because it saves having to position and it can't move. Just put it in diagonally there and then fold your nappy whichever way you want to. I always do the kite because that's the one I always come back to, but I know there are lots of other folds and people like other ones as well. So good luck with that. If you have any queries, please email me info@littlepants.co.uk, and good luck. Bye.